The length of the 3-claw material head is 25 millimeters. Then 200, 3, 4, 50, a 10 millimeter. Then you can continue to lose later, and so on. You can keep losing. Let's take a look now. There are 4 of them. Then the corresponding straight pipe is here. 3-claw head, 25 millimeters. 200, 3, 4, 50. Then a 10 millimeter. Then this is the material that is not wanted. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 kinds in total. Corresponds to this side. The cumulative length here refers to the total length of these 4 specifications. It will count automatically. Then click on the input part. It will all be cleared. Output setting. Let's say we set 1,000. Then when the count here reaches 1,000, it will stop automatically. And then we're going to keep cutting. Or the video is bigger, or a technical reset. This is the total length of our straight pipe entered. We put it in before we cut. If we cut straight pipes, sometimes it cuts continuously. Then let's increase the time of this cutter. In the commonly used specifications, we enter it for archiving. For example, when we need to use this specification, let's just click to enter it. I will be able to cut 27 under the length of the mother tube of 1410. 50 will be automatically calculated. Suppose we're going to cut 80 millimeters long. Enter it. 80 will also be automatically calculated. The next page is counting. Each individual frequency is recorded. It's here. Manual page. Manual pages are generally used for our manual adjustments or inspections. When it is useful manually, we need to click here first. Then each can be acted on individually. Automatic and single cut. When you are a fully autonomous machine, there is this option. When the automatic point is reached, the pipe rack and the self-machine run automatically. When cutting alone, the machine only cuts. That is to say, even though it is sometimes short, for a short time, we could just put it in manual. It is used for single cutting. It will not be changed. This was already set when we left the factory. Here is the language selection. You can choose according to the language of your own country. This material head refers to our sorting material head. If the material head is opened, you can also choose to sort the left and right material heads, and only sort the left material head.